G'day, I'm Tim McMahon, a flashlight enthusiast from Australia, and today I'm in Dongguan at the Manker factory and with Ray and Tony. So let's go check out the factory. Here's the testing area. Wow, massive sphere. And it's like a little mini sphere. It's the assembly area. Cool. What's this one? Got the Manker EO5 2. So aluminium. Got the tail cap assembly. Cool. And it's the head. That's the reflector lens, removing the dust. Wow, there's heaps of them. And this is the pill. So gluing the centering gasket. I think that helps keep the reflector centered. So the LED to be at the right point for the reflector so the focal point is correct. They're making a sample for me. It's really nice. Thank you.
Which floor table?
Which font? I'm not sure. Like, simple. That looks nice, yeah. There's so many options. Charging the batteries. Wow. See, F14. So it's got the dual Nichia and I think the Osram. Cool. So the reflectors and okay. So these have been checked already. Yep.
It's already for assemble.
Okay.
Some materials,
Yep. It's got all the parts for assembling. And you got the stencils for see MK38. Right. So cool. Oh, SFD40. So this is all the parts for assembly from the supplier or
materials.
Yep.
And the product in another warehouse.
MK34. Yep. And head. Cool. And heaps of EO5. Yep. Ooh, the CMC 13.
C13.
Yep. See MC13 tubes. Ooh, must be the inner tube. And the copper heads. Oh, cool. So all the glasses, the lenses. What's this? O-rings. So many. And the LED, yeah. It's a MC13. MK34. There's the handles. Oh, it's pink. Oh, that looks cool. So assembled. Oh. Oh. So F14. It's a Striker Mini and Striker Mini aluminium. EO5. The MC13. E14 version 4 or... Ah, cool. Got a different case. Yep. Looks really nice. That's the Stonewash, or more Striker Mini titanium with the skull pattern. Aluminium. See, EO5 aluminium. It's a smooth polish. And Manker MK38. A custom.
Yes, custom is different.
Ah. It's got a different body. So MC13 custom. Okay, different tubes. So MC13 tubes, 21700 and titanium. And F14, EO5, MC13. So 18350s and more batteries. It's the packaging area, so packing the final product. The Timeback. Those are cool. See, Manker. I've got this one. It's got a really nice tint in neutral white. The Air 3. That's cool.
All the samples they repeat.
So 70.2s. So Manker. So custom.
It's got lumen symbol.
From Skylumen of in. And different batteries. So cool holster. Thank you for having me today, and thank you so much for these. It's really nice. I have to take a video of this. It's the Manker Timeback. It's so beautiful. So it's got this nice fidget spinner, and these things turn to. It's the button. What I didn't know is the top comes off. It's like a magnetic part. So that just clips into place. Can pop it on. So it's a really nice torch. Okay.